everybody, it's Sammy, and if you've been following my videos, you know that I am now in Spain. So today actually marks my first whole entire week that I have spent here in Spain. It's Saturday and I'm just walking around this park. I came over here because I heard there's like an acro yoga class. Everyone's out of town at a tournament, so we have no training. So I had some downtime and I thought I'd explore. It's such a lovely day here at this park, and I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys and go over what my first week in Spain has really been like. I've been vlogging on and off, but I haven't really gone over and made a video yet. So this will be my video that tells you all about how my first week in Spain has been. I hope you guys enjoy it. So my week started off pretty fun. I met my roommate, whose name is Dina. Dina, my roommate! Hi! Who's amazing. She's ranked number 6 in the world right now. We had an awesome time training together. Our workouts turned into basketball. Unfortunately, she got a message that she had to go home early, so I had to say bye to Dina. On Dina's last day, we decided to go over to Madrid. So we got to ride the train over to the center of Madrid where everything was. We are here at the center of Madrid. I have no idea what's going on here or who this guy is. And I got to show her a couple of the cool statues. I have no idea what it's about, but check out the horse. We got a couple pictures taken of us and got to try some food, did lots of shopping. I never shop, and I got to go into Primark. This is my first time walking into a Primark. I don't even know what all these stores are that I got to visit, but that was really fun. And just try and see as much of it as we could before she had to go home, because it would be her last day here. What else has been going on? I've had lots of grocery trip visits. I've had some fun experiences trying to cook things, whether it's easy breakfast foods or pasta. So that's been really fun. Usually at home I don't have to cook anywhere this amount. Training's been great and busy. Subi and Jesus are awesome and amazing, and they're so fun to train with. Literally every training session is new and it's fun and it's dynamic. I am so sweaty right now. I've been trying to vlog a lot, so I vlog little random clips here and there throughout the week, just because I think this is disgusting. We lost another layer of skin, guys, so I have to cut this skin off. I accidentally jabbed the pointy part into my skin, and that really freaking hurt. What else has happened? I have no idea what that is, but I want to go look at it and find out. This is El Palacio de Cristal. It is so pretty in here. So like I said, this is a pretty cool park. I had no idea that they would have El Palacio de Cristal aquí, and it was really cool. But anyway, back to how my week has been. Actually, I have one more thought before getting back to my normal vlog. Isn't it crazy how some places you see and you feel like you're only gonna get to see once in your lifetime? When you leave, there's probably a very good chance that you're not ever gonna be able to see it again. I think that's the weirdest feeling, and it happens everywhere. That place that I just went into, I don't know if I'm ever gonna go back. I don't know if that's the only time I will have ever gotten to go inside. You get to, but sometimes you only get a once in a lifetime chance and you don't even realize it. So that's my thought for now. One day a year, the books go to the park. Every day the books are in the libraries. So it looks like I've run into a book fair. That's pretty cool. I love books. I freaking love reading. So I apologize for getting sidetracked on the story of how my week has been going, but I keep running into all these cool places as I'm talking and walking and talking, and that was redundant. And I just want to go check them all out. This is such a crazy cool park. I never would have imagined. So far, I've run into people slacklining. Here's a guy working on his dance moves. The Crystal Palace, a children's puppet show. I don't even know what else I'm gonna run into on the way to the acro yoga class that I am now 20 minutes late for. So I started off my very first video trying to do it completely in Spanish. Buenos días a todos, mi nombre es Emily, which I think I got a good amount done, and then it totally just fell apart. But it was a really good attempt, and I'm gonna try and do a whole entire complete video in Spanish. That is pretty much my whole entire first week in Spain. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I will try and keep making more videos. If you guys have a specific video idea that you want to see while I'm in Spain, make sure to ask me, and I will try and get that in. Thanks guys, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!